Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So I make videos on Mondays and Fridays at 7:30. I'm back with a new recipe this time. So this is a nice 4 p.m. snack that you can make for your kids. It's a Uthappam sandwich. So it's pretty easy for those days when you have dosa batter in your fridge and you can just quickly make something for them. So do subscribe to my channel for more such recipes and click the bell button. Let's jump right in. So first we're going to make the stuffing for the sandwich, for which I've got chopped onion, tomato and capsicum in here. You can also add some beetroot and carrot if you want to. I'm using tomato chutney as the base here. You can use any chutney that you have, any dry chutney that you have with you, or some gunpowder or pizza sauce. Now I've added a little bit of red chili powder and salt also to the mixture. So into the vegetables goes the red chili powder, or you can add green chilies and salt. Then we add in the tomato chutney. So instead of the tomato chutney, you can use pizza sauce, ready-made pizza sauce, or any other hara chutney or dhania ki chutney to mix the vegetables in. You can simply mix some ketchup as well. So I'm going to get the stuffing ready by mixing everything together nicely. So that's the only job that you have to do. Now we just grease a pan in butter and put it on medium-high flame. Pour the Uthappam batter into the pan. Spread it out a little bit like that. Now we'll add in the stuffing onto the Uthappam. Spread it out nicely. Next, we'll add some cheese. I'm adding a cheese slice here. You can also add grated cheese instead. Next, we're going to pour the rest of the batter on top, making sure it covers it nicely. Spread out to the ends. And now we'll grease it with some butter. So I'm adding a blob of butter on the center, and then you can add a little more on the pan as well. It will make it crispy. Now we'll cover and cook this on medium-high flame. Once the bottom part is done, we'll just flip it over and cook it from the other side as well. Once cooked from both sides, you can cut it into triangles. And the simple Uthappam sandwich is ready. So this is a very tasty recipe, so do try it and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.